Hey there, Glam Squad. Welcome back to another video where we're all about looking fabulous without spending a fortune. Today, we're diving into easy tips to glow up, so you can be your best self without breaking the bank. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about brows. For those with lighter hair and skin, go for a more ashy brow. And for those with darker hair and skin, try an olive-colored hue for a natural look. Remember to fill in your brows from the arch to create that full, fluffy effect. Next on our list is the nose contour technique. This clever trick helps elongate your nose and balance out your features. To use it, apply some concealer just below the tip of your nose and blend it out for a seamless finish. Now, onto contouring. If you're unsure about where to start, imagine drawing two letters M on your face, one on each cheekbone. Blend the product down towards your temples for a natural contour that defines your cheekbones perfectly. Lastly, let's talk about highlighter placement. You want to apply it right underneath your blush area for that enviable wow factor. To blend it out evenly, press and roll your fingertip across the product. Voila! Instant glow up. And there you have it, folks. These effortless tips will have you looking absolutely radiant in no time, and it won't cost you a penny. I hope you enjoyed these makeup hacks and found them useful. If so, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.